Welcome and hello. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making roasted garlic potatoes. And I've just about prepped everything. Um, I peeled and cut up my potatoes. I've cut them like this, sort of like potato chips, because they'll roast up faster. I've peeled my garlic and smashed it, and I've chopped up my fresh parsley. Here we have some butter, and we have some olive oil and vegetable oil. I have a mixture right here, and I have some Sazon Complete. So in my saucepan, I'm going to add some oil, and that's about a tablespoon and a half of butter. I'm going to melt that down. And we're also going to add in our garlic. I like a lot of garlic because I love the garlic flavor. You can add a little more or a little less. Absolutely up to you. When it starts to kind of bubble like that, you turn it off. You can actually take it off of the heat and just let the garlic penetrate your oil. Okay, I have removed my garlic because it's did all I needed it to do. And you can use this again if you plan on using some garlic, in the near future. Or you can toss it. I have my small oven on 375. You can put your oven on a little bit less, maybe a little stronger if you're using the stove oven. Maybe about 350. Then the last about 5 minutes or so, 5 or 10 minutes, you're going to turn it up to 400 so that it can brown your potatoes. But we'll get there. Okay, I have drained and gently dried some of the water off of my potatoes because I don't want them to steam. I want them to roast. And onto the pan. So we have our garlic here. Get just a spatula. And that oven is about ready to go. We're just going to pour these over. Pour the butter over, I'm sorry. We're going to move them around because we want it on all of them. And it's nice and garlicky. Get my hands a little dirty. And also, I'm going to add not much, just a little bit of this Sazon Complete because we have the garlic, so we don't need too much flavor on these little potatoes. Enough to make you go, mmm. That's all we need. I'm just going to get it all over like this. And spread them out as much as you can. If you can use a bigger tray or cooking sheet, a cooking pan, I'm sorry, then do that so that they can spread out and they'll cook faster. And so that's good enough for me. I'm going into the oven. Make sure you go in and check. Turn them over if they need to be turned over. Just let them cook, but just check on them. Don't just let them go. You want them to have a crust on each side if possible. I know I do. I need a little crunch on roasted. Okay, these are about ready. I'm going to plate them up. I'm going to add just a sprinkly dink of salt. And the same with the pepper, just a little bit. And we have our parsley. We mustn't forget. And there you have it, garlic roasted potatoes. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. Hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, Subscribe if you haven't. Share if you haven't. And comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it and that's all. Until next time, eat well and be well. Later. Get a little up close. Wonderful side dish. Alright, guys.